Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is the Great Wall of China. So let's start. The Great Wall of China is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. It is a very long wall built to protect China from enemies. Stretching over 13,000 miles, 21,000 kilometers, the wall was built by many Chinese dynasties over thousands of years. The earliest parts of the wall were built as earlier as the 7th century BC using earth and wood. The most well-known sections were built during the Ming dynasty, which ruled from 1368 to 1644. During this time, the wall was made stronger and longer using bricks, stones, and other strong materials. The main purpose of the wall was to defend China from northern invaders, especially nomadic tribes like the Mongols. It helped protect farmers, villagers, and important trade routes. Soldiers were placed along the wall to guard it day and night. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the seven wonders of the Maldivian world. Tourists from all around the world come to visit it, especially the well preserved section near Beijing. The wall stretches across mountains, valleys, and deserts. Some parts are steep and hard to climb, while others are smoother and easier to walk on. It is not just one wall, but many walls built in different times and places, all connected to form a great defense system. The Great Wall is more than just a building, it holds stories, legends, and memories. One famous tale is about a woman named Mengi Jiangu whose husband died while working on the wall. She cried so deeply that part of the wall collapsed. This legend reminds people of the human cost behind the construction. Overall, the Great Wall of China is a remarkable piece of history showing both the greatness and the sacrifices of ancient times. Watchtowers were built to keep an eye out for enemies, and fires were lit to send warning signals. The top of the wall also worked like a road, making it easier to move troops and supplies quickly from one place to another. Building the wall was very hard and dangerous. Many people helped build it, including soldiers, farmers, and even peasants. Sadly, many workers died during construction due to hard conditions, which is why some people call it the longest cemetery. Despite the hardship, the wall served an important role in protecting the country for many centuries. Over time, some parts of the wall were damaged by weather, war, and age. However, many sections still stand today and show the strength and skill of ancient Chinese builders. Today, the Great Wall is a powerful symbol of China.